Hey there, this is Dan from AMS, and today we'll speak on the topic of how to design and build a professional design for your application. Growing up as digital native, the present generation navigates their life through mobile apps. In a world where apps are synonymous with convenience, it is never a bad idea to build one of your own. Building an app, however, is no cakewalk. With so many apps already available, it will take more than just usability to beat the competition. Offering an effortless and pleasant experience can give you an edge over the others. In essence, the app design is your mantra to stand out from the rest. So, how to design an amazing app? An app serves a key purpose in communicating the brand to the user. The app's design should therefore grasp the user attention and inform them about the brand. Following this step-by-step trajectory will help you create a professional design for an app. Even the tallest skyscrapers can fall without a steady foundation. That is exactly what you need to begin with. Sort out the basic about the application to prepare strong footing for future developments. This will include setting the goals and utility, focusing on its USPs, listing its functionalities and features, making a roadmap. While you answer some of these fundamental questions, a little market research will go a long way. Brainstorming about your competitors helps in generating new ideas while understanding the design diversity in your niche. Next thing you need to do is prepare a visual architecture. Once you are clear with your goal and plans, go forward with the wireframe. This is a blueprint of your app's appearance and functionality. Creating a wireframe helps you to put your imagined vision into visual structure. A digital wireframe offers more flexibility than a pen and paper. Some popular tools are iPlots, Prototype, Sketch, and Mark+. Clear navigation, themed interface, and creative elements are key standouts of an impressive mobile application. These are a few essentials that you must incorporate in your app design. A familiar layout for an intuitive interface with a visible navigation bar, less stuffing of information, more white space to create a pleasant experience. Factoring in color psychology to choose an app theme. Focus on the main elements with less visual weight, visual and functional consistency. With proper research and planning, you can create a wonderful professional application. Focus on the important visual elements while finalizing your design to produce a great user experience. Thanks for watching. Feel free to shoot me a message if you have any questions or an app concept on your mind. See you next time.